Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the example of how we can design the user login page. So here I have designed the user login page. This is the title, then username label, username uh, edit text, and password edit text. Finally, this login button. So how we can design the simple login page by Android Studio in by XML file. So now I will show the real example how we can design the user login look like this. So now we can go to our main XML file. We can remove our previous one, or we can omit, comments it. Okay, at first text view, mass variant wrap content. So set the text title user login. Set the text gravity center center. Now we can set the text background, text field background black, and we can set the text color like white color. Also you can set the text field height. So here is the 30 height. So this is the title. Now we'll set the username and password. So we want to show the username text field left side, and right side the username edit text. So we need to take the linear layout is mass parent that content. So we can set the orientation. Default is horizontal. Orientation is horizontal. At first we need to text wrap content the username and right side we need the edit text field, edit text wrap content wrap content you could set the mass parent we can set the id username. Here text we can set the style bold. Also you can set the fading by dp. Now we can set the edit text border. So we need at first the edit text border drawable DXS file. Here is the drawable DXS file. My edit text border. As the edit text as well, we need to is shape. You can set the color stroke with 1 dp and color primary. You can set the primary color, and finally the so with this resource file we will use in edit text for border the edit text background my edit text. Here we can set the top margin 10 dp. Okay, ten dp. Also we can set the fading 5 dp. We can set is with 1 dp, so it is low. Now username and text field is ready. We can copy it for the password. We can set the password. Here is id password, and also set the input type field text password. Now we'll put the login button wrap content, set the title of button text login. You can set the id of button id btn login. You can set is to center gravity center horizontal. Okay, center horizontal. Okay, now we can set the button background. We can set it black. Also text color, you can set it white. Set the margin of button margin top 10 dp. So our login page design is ready, so we can run our project. So our expected login phase design is done. At first we take the text view, and then we take the two linear layout. One is for username and another is for password. First linear layout is orientation horizontal, and first text view is username, and then edit text. Here is the edit text, and password, and second one password is edit text view, and second right edit text for password, and we set the input type field password. Finally we set the we design the button. Here is the button, and we set the button to at the Face center, it layout gravity center horizontal. So this is the basic user login page design by Android Studio. Thank you.